In this video, we are going to see how we can enable or disable the hardware acceleration in your Chrome browser. So what we can do is just go ahead and click on this three dots at the top right hand corner and just go ahead and click on settings at the bottom. Once we are in here, just click on the system at the left hand side. Here it is. And here it says use graphic acceleration when available. So basically the hardware acceleration has changed to graphics acceleration in the latest version. So if you want to just disable this, you can just toggle this off and relaunch the application. And if you want to enable this, just toggle that on and relaunch the application. So whenever you make any specific changes that was not already there, you need to relaunch the application, as you can see. And there we go. Now the settings are saved. And similarly, if we want to toggle this on and it was already off, you want to relaunch the application again in order to make this effective, and that is how it works. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.